Listen to this short conversation and see if you can understand the word through the context. Let's go. Hey, how did your exam go today? The whole thing went pear-shaped. It went pear-shaped? Oh, why is that? It went pear-shaped because I kind of studied for the wrong exam. Well, if you don't prepare, prepare to fail. So when something is pear-shaped or goes pear-shaped, it means that it went terribly wrong and it was a disaster. Has my life gone pear-shaped? I don't know. But if things do go pear-shaped, remember to smile and make it through another day. Can you give me an example of a time something went pear-shaped in your life? Write a sentence below and use this phrase in a sentence. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next class.